Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues of your JBL Wave 200 true wireless sound. So first of all, this video will be useful for you when you, for example, have unstable connection or when you cannot pair these earbuds with your phone. And for this first thing, if you have unstable connection, first of all you have to disconnect these earbuds from any devices. So click disconnect, click forget. Okay, if you cannot pair them, you will basically skip this step. And right now when they are turned on, you have to click just like that. Take a look. 1, 2 and hold it until these indicators disappear. There we go. You will also hear the notification sound that they are turned off, and right now we have to put them back to this charging case. Right now this indicator will light up with white, the left and the right. Wait until it disappears. Right now we can close for a few seconds, and now just open. Right now when you take them out of this case, they will be set up to the pairing mode. Take a look. As you can see, they are blinking, so it means that they are in the pairing mode. So right now we can repair them. Accept the pairing. And as you can see, it's finished. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.